If you are a healthcare founder in the United Arab Emirates, building an app is not just about features or UI. It is about trust, patient safety, and strict regulatory compliance. Today, we are breaking down exactly what it takes to build a compliant healthcare app that can operate legally and scale across the UAE market. Let's start with the biggest misconception. Many founders think healthcare apps fail because of technology. In reality, most projects fail because compliance is considered too late. In the UAE, you are dealing with multiple regulatory layers. Dubai Health Authority regulations for apps operating in Dubai. Ministry of Health and Prevention requirements for federal approvals. Department of Health Abu Dhabi standards for Abu Dhabi markets. International standards like HIPAA for patient data protection. Ignoring any one of these can stop your product launch overnight. Now, what does compliance actually mean for development? First, data residency. Many UAE healthcare apps must store patient data within approved jurisdictions. Cloud architecture needs region-locked hosting, encrypted backups, and audit trails. Second, security architecture. You need end-to-end encryption, role-based access, biometric authentication, breach detection, and detailed access logging. Third, interoperability. Your app must integrate with hospital EMRs, lab systems, and insurance APIs using standards like HL7 and FHIR. Fourth, clinical validation. Any telemedicine feature must include doctor credential verification, prescription controls, and secure video infrastructure. This is not optional, it is mandatory. Now let's talk about the business side founders care about. A compliant healthcare app should be built with scalability in mind. Multi-hospital onboarding, insurance claim automation, AI-powered patient triage with ethical safeguards, analytics dashboards for hospital administrators. Because in the UAE healthcare ecosystem, buyers are not just patients. They are hospitals, insurers, and government bodies. At Apptunix, we approach healthcare development differently. We start with compliance architecture before writing a single line of code. We design data flows aligned with DHA guidelines. We conduct security testing aligned with HIPAA standards. We prepare documentation required for regulator submissions. So, when your product is ready, approvals are not a surprise. They are expected. If you are building a telemedicine platform, hospital management system, remote monitoring app, or AI diagnostic solution in the UAE, compliance is not a checklist. It is your competitive advantage. Hospitals trust compliant platforms. Investors fund compliant products. Governments approve compliant technology. And patients stay loyal to platforms that protect their data. If you're a healthcare founder in the UAE planning your next digital product, don't start with a wireframe. Start with a compliance-first architecture conversation. Drop a comment below with your use case, visit apptunix.com, or book a free strategy call through the link in the description. We'll map your entire compliance and development roadmap before you write a single line of code.